To the untrained eye, this may all look, well, normal. A plot of land with plants and grasses every which way. But the paid summer interns from the Nature Conservancy's LEAF program know differently.
These weeds that we're pulling out, they're invasive species, and they're kind of destroying the species that are native to this biome. They're killing them, so we're trying to protect the native species here.
A native plant is one that seems to have made it over here all by itself or drifting over on the wind or currents. A non-native plant is one that hasn't evolved in this area and has been usually brought over by humans.
Non-native plants are a nuisance because they take resources from the native plants. Colleen Corey knows because she's a plant ecologist.
So what's one of the projects that the students have been working on?
Well, I had them weeding part of the wetland down here.
Those weeds look much shorter now.
Yeah, they do from up here. Once we get down there, you'll see that they're quite a bit taller and rather daunting.
At ground level, she's right. They're not easy to pull. But these teens aren't afraid of using a little muscle.
So we're like, it's a competition who has the biggest weed, and then whoever has the biggest weed gets a free toilet paper roll.
That's a surprise! They have been great. They have just been terrific.
All of these efforts are part of a bigger plan to get this former wetland back in tip-top shape.
Why do you think it's so important that young people get involved so early on?
Well, I think that it's really important for young people to get involved because we're trying to start them young, right? Trying to start them, get them appreciating nature at a very early age. So when they go off to college and they go off to do their careers, they kind of remember that and feel passionate about saving this planet.
So from ground zero of a former wetland to mountaintops in search of foxes, not to mention a reconnaissance mission, these future environmental leaders are ready for action.
Yeah, I wish other kids can get the same opportunity as we do, like being on this beautiful island. So help them become a part of the solution.
It's a solution these teens are already a part of on an island with a new lease on life.
I wish I could live another 50 years and come back and see what it looks like in 50 years, because I think it's going to be beautiful. I really do. It's going to be a biologist's delight.